Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel The Solution. In my previous video, if you have any problem, you can ask me at the comment box. And if you like my video, then thumbs up it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Today, I will show you how to set units, limits and scale in AutoCAD. So friends, don't waste your time. Let's start the video. Now we are going to learn how to set units in AutoCAD. Basically, we have two ways of setting units in AutoCAD. Firstly, click menu option and here select drawing utilities. After that, you can choose units. Simply cross it, and secondly, we should enter UN command in command bar. This is our drawing unit setting. Here we have different type of units, which architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. Architectural units is used for feet inches drawing, like civil drawing, mostly use architectural. Then decimal, it's used for mechanical drawings. There is a units like millimeter, meter, centimeter. And another thing, engineering units is also same as an architectural, but there is a minor difference in architectural and engineering. Fractional units is used for minor values, like we have a value 0.25, and scientific units is used for major values like gigameter, hectometer, etc. It's used for big drawing. Here I am choose decimal for this drawing and precision set according to my drawing decimal values. Then here, which unit you want to insert in your content, select this. As an example, suppose we want to draw a length of 100 mm, then we should select millimeter option. Press OK. Now unit setup is complete. After that, set up limit to draw any drawing in a particular area. For that purpose, we should set up limits. In order to set up limits, type limits in your keyboard. Here, enter the limits. We can observe in command bar, that is specify lower left corner, we should enter 0,0. After that, here we can see this. It's state that specify upper right corner. As an example, suppose a drawing length 10 meter and width 10 meter. We should select limits more than 10 meter. So here put 2 meter extra, for example 12 meter, means 1200 millimeter, because drawing unit set as a millimeter. After doing this process, press Z enter and E enter in your keyboard. Now this drawing sheet is ready to drawn by you. Another thing, scale setup. If you have a big drawings which cannot print it proper with single paper, then we can use a scale. For a small drawing, we can choose 1:1 scale factor, and for big drawings, we can choose like 1:10, 1:20, etc. Here in down menu bar, animation scale of the current view, just click to adjust scale. Thanks for watching my video.